Hi folks, Terry from Smooth. What's up here? Mystery package time. From Ray Aguilina. I hope I say that right, Aguilina. Ray from Malta. He pops in on the Saturday Night Live feeds that we do, and he sent me something. And when I was younger, I used to be a bit of a philatelist. Yes, I used to collect stamps, and these are rather nice stamps from Malta. Seems Mike's been sent something as well. No idea what it is. Yeah, let's open it up. Let's have a little look. So thanks, Ray. I wonder what we have in here. I do like it when they've got things that you don't know what it is. It seems to have arrived here safe and sound anyway. So, stickiness. And in the package was, a few things. Is there something that, yep, hey! Right, put that out of the way, but I'm going to keep the stamps. I'll keep his wee card thing. Right, so what have I got here? I've got a Maltese flag, that'll go in my motorbike cut, that I put all my patches on. So that's cool. Just for that. Oh, what's this? I love Gozo. That's got a wee coin in it. Yay! Malta. Yep, wee key ring. Excellent. And I've never been to Malta. I've got a biker friend who has friends in Malta. And she goes across to Malta quite regularly. Never been myself. I've heard it's really beautiful. So, that's good. I could stick that up somewhere on one of my lights. There we go. And what's this? Heritage Malta Officer, Army of the Order of St. John, late 16th century figurine, military officer from the second half of 16th century. Ooh, a little figure of some description. Let's have a look. What's this says? Accessories here. Oh, look, there you go. I think everything, you just pull the wee tab and the thing comes out. Very clever. So some sort of knight. Better be careful with this because it looks kind of fragile. Where's my knife gone? Apologies about the state of my bench. I've been fiddling about with things. Right, let's open this gently and see what it is. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at that. He's made of metal or something. Oh, and he's got a spear. Oh, this is very nice. Oh, it's quite a big figure. Oh, open the plastic. So there's a man. What a lovely little figurine that is. And he's got a, don't throw those bloody spears at me. Got a little spear. Does it go like that? Or I assume so. What a lovely little figurine. I think it's resin. It's quite heavy actually. It might be metal. A nice detail on it actually. Yeah. So I've got a little Maltese knight to sit there watching over. Or does it go up through the bottom? I don't know. But there we go. There he is. A little Maltese knight. That's a beautiful little thing. Thanks very much, Ray. Didn't know what I was expecting when you said, can I have you and Mike's addresses? Excellent. So I've got a little Maltese guy. I'll find pride of place on the bench somewhere with him. Thanks very much for sending that to me. Really interesting. That tells you all about the history of the night and everything. And my little key ring and my fridge bag that is, I'll stick that, I've got to stick it up on my boom for my, I'll see if I can pivot my camera. Wait a minute. See, there's all my normal workbench and everything. Right, so I'll stick it up on, try not to show you all of this. There we go. I'll stick my wee Maltese thing up on there so that it reminds me of you, Ray. So thank you very much. I do like it when I get mystery packages. So yeah, thanks very much. Cool little dude. So that's it. Yeah, it's just a little package that I got in the mail today. I didn't know what was in it. So yeah, Ray, hopefully I pronounced your name right. Ray Aguilera. He's a model maker. He comes in on the Saturday Night Live hangouts and in the chat and everything. So we'll probably see him this Saturday at some time. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to finish my coffee, and thanks again. Most of all, happy modelling, and see you on Saturday, guys. Bye.